Canceling a Venmo payment is simple, but depends on whether the payment is still pending or has already been completed. Here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to your transactions. Tap on the three lines icon in the upper left corner to open the menu. Select Activity to view your transaction history. Find the payment. Scroll through your activity feed to locate the payment you want to cancel. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar at the top. Check payment status. If the payment status says pending, you can cancel it. If it shows completed, the payment cannot be cancelled. Cancel the payment. Tap on the transaction. If it is still pending, you will see an option to cancel payment. Tap it and confirm your choice when prompted. Notify the recipient. It's courteous to inform the recipient that you've cancelled the payment, especially if it was for a shared expense or service. Check for confirmation. Once cancelled, you should receive a confirmation notification, and the funds will be returned to your Venmo balance.